Hey, hello, this is Guillaume Reffet. I'm gonna to show you how we can deploy and manage a new VNF in OpenStack using the Ubiquube MSActivator. Let me first connect on the Ubiquube portal. The platform is multi-tenant. I can manage several customers. Let me select customer C. As you can see, 3 devices are already managed in my customer C. If I select Services, I access directly to the Service Orchestration feature. On the left, I can see all the different services that my user can consume. In a DevOps approach, I can design any new service, and thanks to the role-based access control, I can define which user can access to which services. Let me select VNF deployment workflow. And now let me click on Deploy VNF to launch a new instance to deploy a new VNF. Here are all the parameters that I need to launch my services. So first, to select the OpenStack server on which I will launch my instance. Let me select OpenStack server. Then I can set the name of my new VNF on OpenStack. New VNF. And the IP address. So let's say .3. And now the instance name. So let me use the same one. And then I need the credential to connect on the VNF, plus the customer on which I will create the new VNF in the MSActivator. Then I need the IP address of this new VNF. What I will do is to get a floating IP available in OpenStack and automatically set this field during my execution. When I have designed this specific service, I made the choice to not to expose to the user the image that I will use to deploy a new instance. By default, it is a Cisco. But of course, I can edit my service to expose these parameters to the user and let my user choose which vendors he wants to deploy. Let me click on Run Now to launch my service. My service is composed of a set of tasks. For example, the first step is to get a floating IP address in OpenStack. The second one to launch the OpenStack instance, to associate the floating IP to my new VNF, and then to wait the reachability to start to manage the new VNF. The service is now done. I can close this window. I can scroll up and click on Devices tab. If I scroll down, I can see that I have a new device, new VNF. If I select this new VNF, I can start to manage the configuration using, for example, the Object console. I can access to the OBMF console using the Config tab. On the left, I have already attached some objects. But of course, I can design in the DevOps approach new objects to manage a new service. And I can attach these objects to my VNF. That's all for the demo. Thanks for watching.